we're going to talk about personal injury. What is it? And what it is a person suffering any type of physical or emotional harm or injury due to someone else's negligence, or in other words, someone else's fault, whether it be an accident or something intentional, like an assault or a battery. That basically what entails a personal injury case or a personal injury claim. There are different types of personal injury cases. You got car accidents, slip and falls, trip and falls, dog bites, construction accidents, assault and battery incidents. It can virtually be any type of scenario where a person is hurt or injured because of someone else's conduct. If you prove your personal injury case, what type of damages or compensation can you be entitled to? Well, you're entitled to your medical bills, past and future, damages for your pain and your suffering, damages for property damage if your property, vehicle, any other property was damaged or broken as a result of an incident. If your spouse has suffered due to your injuries, he or she may be entitled to some form of compensation. There's a lot of different types of avenues for compensation for a person if they've been hurt. There's a very important thing that you need to know called the statute of limitations. And what that means is, if you're too late in bringing your personal injury claim, you waive your rights. Depending on the type of case that it is, different times apply for the statute of limitations. So if you're not sure, definitely talk to someone that knows, talk to a lawyer, and make sure you're protecting your rights. One of the first things clients usually always ask us is, when will my case settle? And in reality, if a lawyer is being honest with you, it's difficult to say. Cases can settle within the first few weeks, sometimes within the first few months. Other cases where you have more serious injuries or the facts are just more complicated, more complex, those cases can take a year or more to settle, right? But the right question is not when will the case settle, but am I getting the most value for my case? Is my lawyer pushing my case to the maximum? And that's really the most important thing.